It's a show no outside. Look up in the air, guys. Water more than flour. When the amount of rain. But there, rain a tear down the place. See there? You see what they look? Look on the sky. Yes, guys, look out the door. Rain. See if you can see raindrops then. Rain, guys, rain. Look on the water. You can look at the ground and know what really are going. Watch like a strike right now. Rain for kill. Look over here, so. Some serious rain we are getting. Good, guys. See there? Just to identify some of what's going on. Rain, on top of rain, on the veranda middle right now. Can't go outside, we have to stay in. We are shut in today. Guys, look out. And for all my viewers and my subscribers who don't know where I am at, I'm in Bagwalk St. Catherine, Jamaica. Yes, Bagwalk St. Catherine. See there? Pure rain, guys. Pure, God Almighty, rain. Look. Look on the coconut tree, them guys. Take a good look what is going on. See there? Rain like nothing. We don't have plenty breeze though, but we have a lot of rain. A lot of rain. Water everywhere. Guys, look on the puppy there. I can't see him. I try to go in the house. And I can't see him there too far. Guys, breeze are blowing out. See there? Rain like nothing. Look at my nice planting over there, so. Yeah, man. I have a very nice planting over there, so. Guys, just take a look. The top of the veranda alone can show you the amount of rain that falls. Or water drip off of it. Like seriously. I believe that if the rain fall for at least 2 more days like this, Flatbridge will be blocked. Because it's simple little rain. Not only down here rain alone. Rain from St. Mary, water from St. Mary. Chiga Flatbridge the block. Guys, looking at my walkway, in my driveway. This is my driveway for coming, so my parking space. See there? Water. Water. Water, guys, water. Water more than flour. You know when water more than flour what happen? The flour spoil. So you have to go add a little more flour or some cornmeal to get it back to the way you want it. But right now, nothing can add to this. We just have to just give God thanks for the rain. Give him thanks for the sun. and for everything. See there, guys? Rain. I can make a little design with the right as a phone. Yes, guys, I think this is a perfect little design. Yes, it's a perfect little design for you. Guys, you hear a sound too, you know. So you say no ordinary are going out of south. Trust me. But anyway, guys, we have to go to the puppy rescue. So stay tuned. So guys, me go to the puppy. Come here, tell you say. Look down my road. Look down my driveway. Tell me now. Look down on my driveway. See me here, guys. You wet. Me say me can. See him there? You see him pretty, guys, and shaggy. Come, say hi to them. Come. Guys, me I bring him over. Me I bring him go put him up somewhere. I can't stand to see how him a suffer in the rain here. So this is it. Can't stand to see him a suffer, guys. I can't help but foul them. I can't help but foul them at all. See them there? Them a look shelter. See them there, guys? Them a run for cover. There. Water run like river. See the plant in here? You see it? So I'm just going to go a little bit down and show you what is going on. Rain, rain, rain. That's why them sing a song say it's raining all around. Alright, guys. So you see? Water this a get up down your gully, you know. Guys, see there? Couple baby about a here I go show you this place. About a here I go show you this place how it flood out. Right now we not flood out yet. Guys. It not flood out yet, but we have some cow down here, so my cousin cow them. I go down there go say hi to them right now, because them a look for me like them want to run me down in the area. What's going on with you guys down here? You see that one there look, guys? You want to run me down, you know? You there? Two of them, guys, two of them. You have to myself too when you start run, me just run let him. Eh? You see him look ring? And feisty. See him there? See the rest of them over there, so. All boat over a place. All boat over a place then there, guys. See them there? This is our dashing walk. You see him look pasty? You see him spin around same time? You must have said this a woman that come and take picture of me though, God. Yes guys, so this is it. A lot of water, lot of rain. If it continue until maybe about 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, you know, say roll down here so I cover. Yeah, that's what normally happen down here, so. And as you can see one little dirt track over there, so if it continue, nobody from up that side can cross there, so nobody cross it. Trust me. So guys, I go back. Me I turn the roll and go back up. Look on the water here. Look here. Nobody can cross this river here but Rima. Yeah, me I go look for my puppy now. I'm going to look at Rufus. His name is Rufus. So I'm going to look at Rufus now. Woo! Say hello. Hi. Hi YouTube. Guys, just here and still. The Malik in town. Come. See, look guys. I will post this. Say hello. Guys, me I forgot dry him off. And really cold bad. Mood life in this situation here. I catch them folded. Cover them and run for them. If you wouldn't turn, I can joke them. Boy. So guys, this is it for now. Now you see how the rain is going on out here. And you see Rufus. See Rufus stand up now. Rufus, I look one bed. Let me give Rufus one bed. Let me give Rufus something to lay down.